All right, and the tie for this week. This is the week of March 13th, 1942. Rangoon, the capital of Burma, falls. Now, it's the only major city in Burma, the only major port. And so this is a big deal for Japan's now getting closer to India. And what would that mean for Britain if Japan can take India? Now look at this tie. This tie is Burmese citizens hard at work on their farms. Yep. They might look Dutch, but they're not. They're not. They're Burmese. These are traditional Burmese garb in purple, white, and blue. Which are what colors are Burma's flag? It's probably not purple, white, and blue. That would be way too much to ask. This is actually, I really like this tie. I remember when Astrid picked it out. I mean, some of the ties I like, and some I like more. But I think this is really pretty. And this is again a Moltene Gabrielle. We've seen a couple of those that they always have really cool colors. I don't think the colors will wash out on this. This is gorgeously colored ties. If I'm wearing this out in public, I'd wear this with just like my black three-piece suit, something like that. Everything else like completely understated and just this splash of color. You see what I mean, Sparty? I mean, it's real. Look at the colors on this; are beautiful. This is a genuinely nice tie, and you can have it when you think about the fall of Rangoon, yet another capital falling to the Axis powers. And Batavia, the capital of the Dutch East Indies, was evacuated last week, and the entire Dutch East Indies were surrendered to the Japanese this week as well, with 100,000 prisoners to the Japanese. They are really on the ascendant, and they are only just starting to realize that once they take all this territory, they have to administer it. How is that going to go? Well, I'll find out in the future, but this is the fall of Rangoon.